If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Rivery, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into Rivery. Access your Rivery account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage transfers. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the Transfer section in the main menu. This area contains all your active and pending transfers for easy management. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. This will provide you with more information about the transfer and options for management. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option or button within the transfer details. Click it to initiate the cancellation process and confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transfer on Rivery. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Rivery support for assistance.